And team coverage tonight as a government in limbo is putting the housing market here in doubt. The night team's Margot Spann has more on the shutdown's potential effects on the fragile market.
Compared to last year, every month has improved this year, so we're seeing some good trends in the marketplace.
The Madison area housing market continues to thrive. Realtor John Birschbach remains optimistic, but says the shutdown could create problems for folks looking to use a federal lending program.
If it's an extended, shutdown, I would say, there's certainly the odds would increase that FHA could be impacted.
We haven't seen an impact due to the government shutdown at all, and truthfully, I don't see it happening.
Many home buyers turn to the federal government to get loans, so it's natural that some folks would be concerned if the shutdown continues.
It's the tax transcripts that lenders verify income with. That's the only issue we could have. And again, with all the time and energy that the Fed has stuck in to the housing market, getting it going again, I think they'll figure something out to get the income verified so the lenders can lend the money.
They play a role in basically the processing of those loans, and if they don't have the people available to process them, that could either cause delays or problems with being able to purchase a home through that financing program altogether.
If you're thinking about buying a home or have a loan pending, realtors say keep in contact with your lender. As the rest of us keep our eyes on what's happening in Washington.
The Madison and surrounding area market is hot. It's a very strong market, and I don't foresee that changing. I see this continuing going on in the future.
In Madison, Margot Spann, WISC News 3.